Hi there, today we're unboxing a Wi-Fi smart plug. So this particular plug is by a company called ENER-J. Let's have a quick look around the packaging. So nice sort of glossy packaging on there. There you go, there's some of the other products they also do. And that's it. Okay, let's open it up. See what it's like. Okay, got some instructions with it and the actual plug and nothing else. Plug seems of good quality and build. Okay, so on the plug it's just showing you an indication what each of the plug points are. So earth, neutral and live. Not really necessary to show that, but no biggie really. Nice sort of curved design to it, all plasticky. Got a button there is probably just used just to configure it. Now there you go. It's pretty cool. Let me have a quick read of the instructions and we'll give it a go of configuring this. Okay, so I've had a quick flick through the instructions, all in English, quite easy to understand. So first of all, we want to install the app. So the app is called ENER-J Smart App. So we can actually search the Google Store and install this if you've got an Android phone, or we could scan in the QR code just here. So let me scan that in just to make it easier. Okay, it's found it. Click open. There's the app. Let me install it. So while that's installing, let me just get some power over here and we'll plug the socket in. Okay, it's installed. Okay, so we've got the plug plugged in and if you can see it's flashing away in the background. The app's installed now, so let's open that. Let me register on there and then we can continue. Okay, so I've registered on the device and now the first thing I see is this, an empty screen with a plus symbol. If I click on that, I can now add a device. So let's select electrical outlet. Now it says you need to confirm if the light's rapidly blinking. So if I just turn it slightly there, give a better angle, so you can see it's blinking away. It's asking for my Wi-Fi password, so let me do that off screen. Okay, I've typed it in, confirmed, and now it's attempting to connect. So the blinking slot stopped in the background, you can see, and the lights come on. So it must be connecting, and there you go, it's shooting ahead. So it's connected. So there you go, it's appearing as Wi-Fi plug. If I click done, there you go. How easy was that? Okay, so there we have the plug added now. So it's quite interesting, it has a button there initially. So if I click that, turn it on and off, and if we go in to the actual plug, we've got some additional options there. So we've got switch, first of all, switches it on and off, you can see by that. You've got countdown, which is quite a nice feature. So you can actually set a timer to shut off after a certain period of time. So if I selected that, it will now, if you read there, socket is on, off after 15 minutes and 52 seconds. So that's quite useful. So if you wanted something to shut down, for instance, if you had your mobile charging and you want it to shut off after say an hour or so, this is quite useful for that. And then the other option you've got is timer. So this is quite good. So if we click on add schedule, you can select a time and you could have it going on, I guess, any day of the week if you wanted, or if you just wanted to run as a one-off, you just leave it like that. And then you could have it either turning on and off. So very good, very simple to set up. Okay, so another thing I wanted to show, if you actually go to the app, you can actually turn the device on and off, which I've already showed. So that's turned on and that's off. So let's go in there, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi. So at the moment it's connecting off my Wi-Fi network, and I'll let it connect to the actual data connection. So at the moment it's off and I'm not connected to my Wi-Fi. So if I click that, there you go, it's turned on. Really amazing. So I've not had to change anything on my router to allow access to this. So it's complete cloud-based login. So remotely you can just turn it off or turn it on. So if you've forgotten to turn something on, for example, and you've had this connected to it, you just turn it on. So there you go, quite simple to configure and use. Okay, so I'm going to try to get this working on both the Google Home and the Amazon Alexa. So let me start off with the Google Home first. So if I start up the Google app that has all my automation on there, if I click here off screen and just go into home control, for instance, just there, you'll see some of the devices I have at the moment. If I click on the plus, and you'll see linked services, and you can see my Nest device. Now I've had a look through here and I couldn't spot the app ENER-J for this particular product, but the actual interface for it seems exactly the same as Smart Life. So I've actually gone away, reset this and re-added it to Smart Life, and it seems to work fine with that. So if I find Smart Life now, that's where all my plugs and lights are on. So click there. I'm just going to go off camera because it's going to ask for my login details. I'm just going to log in. So just to give you a brief preview of the screen, you see is there. So it's asking you for either a phone number or email address and then the password. So let me get that typed in. Just move it away. Okay. And it's just saying assign rooms. So you can assign it to a room. So I'm not going to do that at the moment. And let's close this off. Let's test it out. So, okay Google, turn on Wi-Fi plug.
There you go, turning on the Wi-Fi plug.
How easy was that? So simple. And what I've done in the interim is just plugged in a battery charger just to see the device working on and off. So if I now click it like so, you can turn it off and turn it back on again. Let's try it again. Okay Google, turn off Wi-Fi plug.
Okay, turning off the Wi-Fi plug.
Excellent. So that proves it works with Google Home. Now let's test it with the Amazon Alexa. So the Alexa is already connected into the Smart Life app. So by default, I already see my smart devices. So if you look there, you've got Wi-Fi plug. So if I say, Alexa, turn on Wi-Fi plug.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off Wi-Fi plug.
Okay.
There you go. Very easy. Very easy to configure, simple to use. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing of the actual plug, how easy it is to set up and how simple it is to set up with Google Home and the Amazon Alexa. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.